0 hour, Sri Abir Ranjan Biswas. Important issues. All 0 hour submits are very important issues.
কি করণীয় বলবো কি বলবো?
Sri Abir Ranjan, Sri Rajamani Patel. Sri Rajamani Patel. This is not good. This is not good. Please, आप लोग कृपया बैठ जाइए. This is 0 hour members rights. Members rights. Sri B. Rengaya Yadav. This is 0 hour members rights and they have given notice. I have admitted it. Please, बैठ जाइए, कृपया बैठ जाइए. We are Parliament. We are House of Elders. We should not allow this sort of thing to happen in the House.
మొన్న పట్టణ ప్రగతికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు
Mr. Rengaya Yadav to go on record.
రోడ్ల మీద ఉన్నటువంటి నీళ్లు లోపలికి ఇళ్లకు వస్తున్నాయి సార్. అక్కడ కూడా డ్రైనేజ్ సిస్టంలకు ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. ముఖ్యంగా చౌటుప్పల్, గుండ్రాంపల్లి, చిట్యాల్, సూర్యాపేట్, నేడంజర్ల, హుజూర్ నగర్లో ఈ అండర్ పాసెస్ గురించి మేము అనేక సార్లు తమ ద్వారా ప్రభుత్వం దృష్టికి తీసుకుపోయాం సార్. అట్లే నేడంజర్ల 165లో నేడంజర్ల, హుజూర్ నగర్లో కూడా ఇబ్బందిగా ఉన్నది సార్. ఈ యొక్క తెలంగాణలో ఉన్నటువంటి నేషనల్ హైవేస్ మొత్తానికి కూడా సర్వీస్ రోడ్లు, డ్రైనేజెస్, తర్వాత అండర్ పాసెస్ నిర్మించాలని చెప్పి మేము డిమాండ్ చేస్తాం.
Go to your seat and then whatever you want to say. Go to seat. Right. Sri Vinay Viswam. Afterwards, anybody giving notice and not speaking in the house, I will not allow them for the rest of the session. Sri Vaiko, I will, what can I do? If you are in the house and you don't want to speak, I will not. Mr. Vaiko, don't want. So no, you can't dictate to me. Let me make it once again clear. Let me make this very clear, please. Bear with me. Any member who has given a notice, which is admitted, who is present in the house, and do not raise the issue, I will not give him opportunity again this session. That's what I have said. How can anybody have objection to that? You don't give notice. You don't want to participate, you don't give notice. You cannot dictate to me. It is totally unfair to the people of the country, unfair to the people of this house also. Then I leave it to your better wisdom and leave it to you. But majority of the members want the house to run. You can't do like this. No slogan should be reported by the media, because this is Parliament, not bazaar. This is Parliament, not bazaar. So no slogan should be reported, no TV transmission also. Tiruchi Siva, Mr. Tiruchi Siva, you don't want. Demand for stop of ASI, you don't want? Okay. Sri Swet Malik.
सर मैं तो
This is 0 hour
विषय
Please go to your seat.
चाहता हूँ
Please go to your seat.
दो
You will lose opportunity for the rest of the session.
एक वैष्णो देवी और दूसरा स्थान जो है वो गुरु नगरी
Nothing goes on record except the members who have allowed. 0 hour
हर साल
members
लाखों जो श्रद्धालु हैं वो श्रद्धा के अपने सुमन अर्पित करने जाते हैं। तो यहाँ 4 घंटे का ट्रैवल है। जिनके पास तो कार है वो तो सर कार में चले जाते हैं, अपने परिवार को लेके, सस्ता पड़ता है। पर जो गरीब लोग हैं, जो ना कार अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, ना बस अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, ना कोई और कम्युनिकेशन अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, वो ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकते हैं सर। तो इसी कारण सर उनके लिए ट्रेन की सुविधा जो सस्ती पड़ती है चाहिए। ट्रेन चलाई गई थी सर अमृतसर से लेके कटरा तक, पर वो कुछ ट्रांसपोर्टरों की कन्वेंस से फुली एयर कंडीशन ट्रेन थी। अब इतनी महंगी टिकट लेके गरीब आदमी, रेहड़ी वाला, छाबड़ी वाला जा नहीं सकता है और इन दोनों स्थानों पे पहुंच नहीं सकता है। तो मैं ये मांग करूंगा सर, आपके माध्यम से सरकार से कि एक जनरल ट्रेन चलाई जाए, जैसे कि हरिद्वार और अमृतसर में चलाई गई है, उसमें जनरल ट्रेन में सस्ती टिकट में आम आदमी को जाने की सुविधा मिले।
Right, Shradman. Srimati Shanta Chetri, not there. So you can't speak from the well. Dr. T. Subram Reddy, not there. Sri Ram Vichar Netam, Ram Vichar Netam, Ram Vichar Netam. 0 hour. This is 0 hour, not government business or anything else.
सभापति जी, आप पूरे छत्तीसगढ़ में और छत्तीसगढ़ के बॉर्डर में उत्तर प्रदेश के सीमावर्ती ग्रामों में अनलीगल तरीके से अवैध वहाँ बालू का बड़े पैमाने पर कारोबार चल रहा है और वहाँ की सरकार जो है छत्तीसगढ़ सरकार उसको पूरी तरह से छूट दे रखा है और वहाँ पूरा माफिया के जिम्मे पूरा बालू का धंधा के माध्यम से करोड़ों रुपए आज जो है वहाँ की सरकार जमा कर रही है और अभी जो वहाँ छापेमारी हुआ, इनकम टैक्स का जो छापेमारी हुआ, उसमें बड़े पैमाने पे धनराशि जो है लोगों के पास से जब्त हुआ है और कहीं न कहीं इनलीगल माइनिंग के वजह से इस तरह के कारोबार पूरे छत्तीसगढ़ में फल फूल रहा है। मैं आपके माध्यम से निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि पागन नदी में जिस प्रकार से अवैध बालुओं का जो उत्खनन हो रहा है, उससे वहाँ पर्यावरण को भी नुकसान हो रहा है, वहाँ के पुल पुलिया रोड बाकी सब ध्वस्त हो रहे हैं। मेरा आपसे आग्रह ये है कि इसे तत्काल जो है रोक लगाई जाए।
श्री प्रताप सिंह बाजवा, श्री प्रोफेसर राजीव गौड़ा, प्रोफेसर राजीव गौड़ा, श्रीमती विजला सत्यनाथ।
Our dear Chairman sir for allowing me to raise this very important issue. That is, actually I mentioned it here just a few minutes ago that 721 fishermen from our Kanyakumari district, Arokyapuram, Muttam, Kanyakumari, Tuttur, Kurumbanai. From there, about 721 fishermen, and from Tirunelveli district, Uvari and Kuttappanai. They were employed by Arabian ship owners for fishing in the islands Kish, Sarak, Sero, Lavan, Pushar, Kangon in Iran for fishing activities. Due to the fast spread of coronavirus, Iranian government has closed down all the ports. They have completely closed down. No fishing activity is there happening there. But these fishermen are stranded in the fishing boats. They are in the fishing boats. So fishing activity has been abandoned. There are helpless fishermen are stranded with fishing boats itself. They are out of food and water. Now they have no food and no water. So moreover,
Fishermen
they
issue,
might also
fishermen
be
who are stranded in Iran.
They have a fear of grip that they may be infected by coronavirus now. So fear is gripping on them and their families are struggling. They are actually in agony. So I, on behalf of our government, our Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has written a letter to the Ministry of External Affairs, Shri Jaishankar ji, to immediately for the safe return of the Indian fishermen, especially the fishermen from Kanyakumari and Tirunelveli district, for their safe return and for protecting their families immediately. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chairman.
Sri Vaiko to associate. You want to associate? Please.
No, I want to speak. My
Zero hour mein.
Zero
Zero
hour
hour.
is there. My name is there.
Now you have come back.
My name is there. My name is there in the zero
Yes.
hour. Zero.
Read.
Mr. Chairman, sir, All these years, chemistry is one of the mandatory subjects along with maths and physics in engineering admissions. Now, AICTE has issued proceedings to all educational institutions that in +1 and +2 school education, chemistry subject is not mandatory and it is included as optional subject. For getting admission in engineering college, +2 level chemistry subject must mark need not be considered. Only maths and physics subjects marks will be taken to calculate the cutoff mark. The decision has terribly shocked the field of education.
Category
This
people
will affect the
who
student
can be.
community and thousands of chemistry teachers in the schools, lecturers and professors in college would lose their jobs. Students scored 400, 500 in this 10th standard. Maths, physics and chemistry group in +1 level. Students of this category alone will go to PG courses and research PhD can invent new findings and technologies. Courses like BE, Agri, Civil, Metallurgy, Chemical Engineering, technical courses need chemistry knowledge at 2 level. This will close the doors of research in the field of chemistry. After that, for new findings, innovations in research, we have to depend on scientists or other countries. Textile, painting, plastic, fertilizer, agriculture, and all this will be affected. Chemical science finds application in all fields of our life. Every science-related course and industry needs extraordinary chemical scientists. Nowadays, an intellectual chemistry graduate gets a job in any chemical-related industry earlier than PE graduate. If average and below average students of chemistry course, he will get placed into a job which has no connection with chemistry. Inclusion of chemistry for engineering admission will not affect the environment in engineering colleges, whereas chemistry as an optional subject will affect the arts colleges, BSc chemistry admission. Hence, I would request the central government to instruct the AICTE to revoke the new notification and follow the existing norms for the admission of engineering colleges.
Right. Sri Kumari Shelja. Kumari Shelja. Kumari Shelja ji.
Sir, I can't hear.
Crop damage because of hailstorm. Sri P.L. Punia. You can't speak from the well. There is special mention.